Hey everyone, what's up? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this origami holiday star. And it's really cool. And want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here it goes. Okay, so for this holiday star, this is what it looks like up close. And it can also be a picture frame back here. I'm going to use a sheet of the 6-inch foil that I believe it's from Amazon. If I find this paper, I'll put the link in the description if you want to buy it. Okay, so I'm going to use this sheet of fancy foil, but you can use any square of paper to fold this model. This one I folded from an ordinary sheet of kami, and you can also use a sheet of printer paper cut square. Okay, but I'm going to use this. This is pretty cool paper. Okay, so let's begin with the white side up and fold in half. And by the way, so today on Christmas Eve, I'm teaching this holiday star, and tomorrow on Christmas Day, I'm going to teach this jumping Santa. See? And it jumps. See? Like that. So, white side up and fold in half. We're making a pinwheel base. Unfold and fold in half this way. And by the way, this is actually a variation of that cross flicker that I taught here. Alright, and now fold both sides to the middle. Alright, rotate and fold the short sides to the middle. Okay, zoom in. Alright, now we're going to do is we're going to fold diagonally in half. So we're going to take this corner and bring it to the top and really hold the layers down so they don't slide. Alright. And this is pretty thick paper, so I'm creasing pretty hard. Pretty thick foil. Now unfold it and just separate the two corners. Like this. And repeat in the other direction. So hold the layers down firmly and fold in half diagonally and crease sharply and just separate the two corners like this. Okay, now take this layer of paper, pull it out. The same 3 more times. Okay, like this. So here we have a pinwheel. Alright, now squash fold the 4 points of the pinwheel. Okay, like this. Now we're going to petal fold these 4 sides. So I'm going to start here. So we're going to take these 2 edges and fold them to the crease. Let's do one at a time. Alright, and fold this up. This fold is actually pretty important. Not only it makes the petal fold easier, but it makes the folds we're going to do later a little bit easier too. Unfold and unfold here too. Now fold up on that crease so we have a boat and flatten the sides of the boat. And there it is, the petal fold. Now repeat 3 more times. And I'm going to fast forward this part. Okay. Alright, so there's the petal folds done. And as you can see, the star is already taking shape. So, turn over. And we're going to make a fold in between. We're going to make a fold in between this intersection point and that intersection point. Like this. And it's not going to lie flat yet. So just make that fold like that. Unfold, and then do that 3 more times. Okay, and now make this fold, and I'm gonna show you from this angle. We're gonna open this pocket and squash like that. That's kind of a fun step. I like that step. Okay, and then do that 3 more times. We'll start on this one. Make that fold. See, and open that little pocket and squash. The same here, and on this one too. Alright, and now, once you did that, just shape everything to taste. Make sure it's nice and flat. And once you did that, there is your holiday star completed. And yeah, I think it's a pretty cool model. And this could be like a picture frame back here. You can stick a photo in there. And yeah, or you can do that technique, what I did with the cross flicker. You can fold these corners out to the sides. And this will be like a picture frame too. But I'm not going to do that. I think it's nice just like this. So yeah, there it is. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding this and were able to. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, Merry Christmas Eve. And by the way, tomorrow on Christmas Day, I'm going to teach this origami jumping Santa Claus. Like that. And for this model, click right here when I upload the tutorial. Okay, bye.